I want to tell you guys about my horror story. Isang umaga, nagising ako na may sakit, tapos hindi na po ako gumaling. It's been more than a year since I got diagnosed with CKD. So that is the chronic kidney disease. Nalaman ko na lang stage 5 na siya. So there was nothing I could do but to undergo an emergency dialysis session. At hanggang ngayon, napapaisip pa rin ako, wow, how did I survive that? And then I get into thinking, I know it's the Lord. It really is the Lord. And of course, it is my support system. It was my mom who was always there for me, my sister, my boyfriend, and all my office mates who was there for me when that happened. It was July 5, 2024. I thought it was over. I thought my health was over, my career was over, and my life was over. Basically, I just got lost. Living with this disease doesn't get easier. So the pain is there every single session, the anxiety, the grief for what I lost. When I think about the life that I had before, the freedom, it got me into thinking na buti pa yung iba, nagagawa nila yung gusto nila, nakakain nila yung gusto nila, um, they have unlimited energy, at kaya pa nilang pumunta kahit saan. Reklamador yarn. Medyo. I don't know what to say. But at the end of the day, I'm still here, and that alone is something that I am incredibly thankful for. So, whatever it is that you're going through right now, just know that you're not alone. You're not the only one who is struggling. Be thankful if you're still healthy and cherish your health. Take care of yourself all the time. Don't let the stress take away your happiness, your content in life. Make sure to surround yourself with the people that love you, and don't forget to thank the Lord for everything that He has given you.